Hello everyone, welcome back. Lego City Monster Truck set 60251, 55 pieces for ages 5. When my son was 5 years old, he used to get a lot of monster trucks by Mattel. So we were visiting Target and he sees this Lego set sitting on a shelf and he says, "Dad, I'm gonna get me this Lego set." And we got it. So I believe these green teeth that came with this truck are used on the hidden side Lego sets. So the hood is a printed tile, green eyes, orange eyebrows, and orange nose. Tall tires. The truck is a good size for any Lego City.